I've got a SoftCheck tool open right now, and I've done the measurement, I've done all the analyses, I've handed out all of my reports, and I just want to take the SoftCheck tool and I want to archive it for cleaning up my system or for just saving the file to a different location for future reference. So what I'd like to do is pack the tool. Packing the tool goes out and it grabs all of the files that support this measurement session, all of the nominal content that's in the SAT file, all of the verbiage here that's in the SoftCheck tool file, and it's all the pictures and all the base images. Every part of that file, or every file that's needed to run the SoftCheck tool, will actually get packed into a zip folder. So what I'd like to do then is I will go up to this tool builder and I will pack tool. Then what's nice is it comes up with this wizard here that walks us through it. I usually default to all of this content here. The program files, I default to that. The SoftCheck tool image files, I select all, so it defaults to that. The SoftCheck tool base image files, I select all, so that's the default there. And then the SPC graph files, I usually leave that at select all there. So then next, I come up with step 2. Any of the formats that are used for reporting, I say yes to that. And then in this location here, you can actually change the size of the files that you want it to spit out. Say if this content in the SoftCheck tool was very big, what you can do is say, yes, I would like to make that smaller files so I can put them on disks. I usually don't default to that. I just say no to that because my files I usually save on a network drive or even on a CD, which has plenty of storage space. So my spanning, I default to no there. And then I say finish. And then what it's doing now is it's very quickly going out and it's creating this CAB file. So I say OK, and that would be the packed tool file. So now what I'll do is I'll show you where it's actually saving that packed tool. I'll go down to my Windows Explorer here and fire it up under the C colon. I'm going to go to Documents and Settings. I'm going to go to All Users, Application Data, and then I'm going to go to the Faro folder. Now take a look at this file right here. This Mira Tilt Outer is the file that I just created using the pack tool. So now I can just click on that and send it over to a network drive, or I could drag it into my CD and burn that to a CD or a DVD for archiving. But what is very good too is that now that I've packed that tool, it is still available. So if I was to go and open at a later date, that tool is still right here, this Mira Tilt Outer, the free state check. That tool is still available. I have not archived it. I've just created a separate copy in a zipped format. So if I wanted to archive that in a different location for saving that file, that's the way to do it. If you haven't saved your files in a while and you've got a bunch of housekeeping to do here, go ahead and start packing those tools and burn them to a disk for future reference or just for storage.